Welcome to e-learning class of Devya Model School. This is lecture number 6 for class 9 for the arts group of subject mathematics. Now in this lecture here we are going to start exercise 1.2 with the selective questions, and these questions are selected according to the board pattern. Question number 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15, 16, 18, 20, 23, 25, 27 and the last one 29. Starting exercise 1.2, and the question statement is convert following percentages into decimal fraction. That means we have a number with the sign of percentage and we need to change in the decimal number. Decimal means to put the point in the number decimal. This is called the decimal point. The first one, question number 2, is 33%. We have a question with the sign of percentage. As we know that percentage is equal to 1 over 100, so write down, starting the solution, write down the number as it is, convert the sign of percentage into 1 over 100. After this step, multiply the numerator as 33 ones are 33, write down denominator 100 as it is. Now divide the numerator on denominator. 33 divided by 100, we have 0.33. That means decimal value is equal to 0.33. Question number 5 is 50%. First of all, starting the solution, write down 50 as it is, multiply sign is here. That means if we have nothing in the sign between any number or any symbol, put the sign of multiply and convert the percentage into 1 over 100, as we know that percentage is equal to 1 over 100. After that step, multiply the numerators. First 50 ones are 50, write down 100 as a denominator. As we can see that the 0 of numerator cut with the 0 of denominator and only 5 over 10 is remaining here. After that step, divide the numerator 5 on denominator 10. When we divide 5 over 10, we have the decimal value, that is 0.5. Question number 6 is 90%. 90 write down as it is and percentage sign change into 100, as percentage is equal to 1 over 100. Cut the 0 of numerator with the 0 of denominator and 9 over 10 is remaining. Next step is that divide the numerator 9 on the denominator of 10. When we divide 9 or 10, we have the decimal value, that is 0.9, and the answer decimal value is 0.9. Question number 2, 5 and 6 has been done. After question number 6, we have the question number 8, and the question number 8 is 25.5 percentage, the greater one value. Starting the solution, first of all remove the decimal point from the question number, then we can change into decimal value. 25.5 write down as it is and make a line of division. After the line of division, put the 1 is in front of decimal point and we have remaining digits, so put the 0. Multiply sign is as it is, percentage change into 1 over 100, then 25.5 change into 255. Write down 255. 255 ones are 255 and 100 multiply 10 is equal to 1000. Then divide the numerator 255 by 1000. After dividing, we get 0.2555, the decimal value, the answer of question number 8. The next one, question number 9 is 73.9 percentage. Before starting the solution, first of all percentage convert into 1 over 100 and remove the decimal point as below the division line. Decimal replace with the 1 and digit replace with the 0. Multiply sign is as it is and percentage is equal to 1 over 100, so change the symbol with the fraction. Then the next step is that multiply the numerators. 739 ones are 739 and 10 multiply 100 is equal to 1000. Then after this step, divide the numerator on denominator. That means 739 divided by 1000, we get 0.739, the decimal value and the answer of question number 9. The selective next one question is question number 11 and the question is 3.6 percentage. 3.6 write down as it is, percentage convert into 1 over 100, as we know that percentage sign is equal to 1 over 100. And 3.6 remove the decimal point below the division line as point is equal to 1 and put the 0 according to the digit, as we have 36 over 10 multiply 1 over 100. Then after that step, multiply 36 ones are 36 and 10 multiply 100 is equal to 1000. Then to change the fraction into decimal value, I repeat, then change the fraction into decimal value and divide the numerator 36 by 1000. 36 dividing by 1000, we have the decimal value, that is 0.036, which is the answer of question number 11. Then the next one, question number 12, is 9.9 percentage. 9.9 is also having a decimal point, so remove the decimal point first, change the point below the division line as a 1 and replace 0 as according to the 1 digit, so we have 99 over 10. Then percentage is equal to 1 over 100 again and again in every question. The next step is that removing the decimal point, write down the question as fraction 99 over 100 multiply 1 over 100. Multiply the numerators directly, we have 99 and 10 multiply 100 is equal to 1000. Then divide the numerator 99 on denominator 1000, we have the decimal value, that is 0.099, the answer of question number 12. The next one, selective question according to the board pattern, is question number 15, and question number 15 is 9%. Writing 9 as it is, as this is the single digit, nothing have any decimal point, and changing the percentage sign as 1 over 100, as we know that percentage is equal to 1 over 100. Then the next step is that multiply the numerator first, 9 ones are 9, and writing denominator as a 100. Then dividing numerator 9 as a denominator 100, we have the decimal value 0.09 as the answer of question number 15. According to the first statement, all the questions has been done. Now next question, here we are going to start according to the next one statement. Statement has changed. The question is convert following decimal fraction into percentages. This question is the reciprocal of first one statement. In previous question we have the percentage number and we need to change into decimal point. This question, we have a question with the decimal point and we have to change with the percentage sign. The question is 0.16. First of all, remove the decimal point first, draw the division line and putting decimal in front of 1 and change the 2 digit as 2 numbers are here, we have 16 over 100. The next step is that multiplying and dividing by 100. For converting our decimal number into percentage, multiply and dividing by 100, as 16 over 100 is multiplying by 100 and dividing by 100. The next step is that in cross multiplication, cut the 100 as a numerator with the denominator as a 100. Both hundreds are in cross multiply form, so cut both of them. Remaining value is 16. 100 has been cut, so only 1 is here, and write down 100 as a denominator. As we know that 1 over 100 is equal to sign of percentage, so putting the symbol of percentage and 16 is remaining here, so 0.16 has been changed as a 16%. After question number 16, the next one selective question is 0.91. Starting the solution, first of all, remove the decimal point. Decimal point has been changed as a reciprocal of 1 and 9 we have 2 digits, so put the 2 zeros in the denominator. Now solving the question according to the solution to change the value into percentage. The first one step is that multiplying and dividing by 100. We have a fraction 91 over 100. Removing the decimal point, changing into fractions, multiplying by 100 100 as a numerator and dividing by 100 as a denominator. As like previous question, in the cross multiplication, cut the denominator of 100 with the numerators of 100. 100 has been cut with 100. 91 is only remaining here. If 100 has been cut, only 1 is here, and write down denominator 100 as it is. Next one is step multiply numerators. 91s are 91 and 100 write down as it is. As we have 1 over 100 is equal to percentage sign, so 91 write down with the sign of percentage. We have the percentage value that is equal to 91%. Question number 20, question number 23 and question number 25 same as above, as we have question number 16 and 18. Practice from your notes and write down in your C work neat copies carefully. Now we are going to start question number 27, that is 0.084. Starting the solution, first of all remove the decimal point, draw the divide line and decimal change into 1. We have total 3 digits at the numerator, so we put 3 zeros at denominator as it becomes 84 over 1000. Then the next step is that multiplying and dividing by 100 to change the decimal value into percentage. This is must, that multiplying and dividing by 100. 84 over 1000 multiply by 100 and dividing by 100. Now the next one is step, we have 100 ones are 100 and 100 cuts the 1000 with 100 tens are 1000. I repeat, we cut the numerators and denominator in the cross form. 100 ones are 100 and 100 tens are 1000. So the remaining values are numerator as a 84, denominator as a 10, multiply sign is here, and write down 1 over 100 as it is. 84 over 10 writing as it is in the next step, as 1 over 100 is equal to sign of percentage, so we have convert it. If we divide 84 by 10, we have the percentage value 8.4 percentage. The last one question is number 29 of exercise 1.2 and the question is 0.007. First of all, start the solution and remove the decimal point, as decimal has been changed below the division line as a 1. We have total 3 digits on the numerator, so put the 3 zeros on denominator. Then multiplying and dividing by 100, this is removing the decimal point, so we have the fraction value that is 7 over 1000. This is 7 over 1000 multiplying by numerator 100 and dividing by denominator 100. As like previous question, again cut, as we have 100 ones are 100 and 100 tens are 1000. I repeat, in cross form I cut the two numbers, that 100 ones are 100 and 100 tens are 1000. So remaining values are numerator 7 writing as it is, remaining number 10 writing as it is, and 1 over 100. 1 over 100 is equal to percentage, dividing the numerator 7 as a denominator as a 10, so 0.7 percentage. This is the percentage value of 0.007. Exercise 1.2 has been done with the selective questions of according to the board pattern. In my next lecture, we are going to start exercise 1.3. Full all of them is word problems.